Hey guys, I would like to show you how to mount AliExpress Bluetooth device to your radio for your V50 S40. Looks like this. I put some bands, that's because they are really fragile, and use the tools bought for €2, so it's really helpful for this. So here we have taken off. You need to push LCD. As you can see, still it's not the same. Torx T25, and then we have two screws here. Now we need to pull the actual radio. You can just pull out as much as possible. Try to get unplug the actually connector. Once you attach all the cables, so then you can just put it inside the radio. Plus, attach the cables to LCD. Just put it in and attach the frame. And now you're changing the mode for the aux. There's a GA RUI Bluetooth here, and you can play. The positive thing is that you can have phone connected with the stock Bluetooth. The second one is designed only for the media.